This is the TCL Breeva A1 True Hepa H13 Air Purifier. Let's go ahead and open the box and check it out. On top, you'll get an instruction manual, and real quick, I'll let you take a look at it. Just hit pause to read each page. Then we'll pull out the unit. As you can see, it has a modern look to it, and the outer shell is metal. Be sure to remove all of the packaging, turn it over, unlock the bottom, and pull out the included filter and power supply. You'll find the power supply in this box. Here's a closer look at it. And then, very important, be sure to remove the plastic from the filter. This is a 3-layer filter. The outside pre-filter is sort of like a screen, then the Hepa H13 filter, and an activated carbon filter layer on the inside. Now take your filter and simply set it inside the shell. Then grab the base and lock it in place. You'll also notice rubber feet on the bottom. And this is also where you connect the power supply. Plug in the unit, and the lights will blink when you do, and now it's ready to be used. Press the power button to turn it on or off. Press the speed button to choose the fan speed, either low, medium, high, or sleep mode, which is very quiet. Press the light button to turn on the colored light, and this will cycle between colors. Or keep pressing the light button to choose a single color, or to turn the light off. Press the timer button if you want the unit to automatically shut down after 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. Or press again to turn off the timer. And the blue light indicates the timer, while the white light indicates the fan speed. Press and hold the timer button for 3 seconds to turn on the child lock, and this will prevent anyone from changing your settings. Press and hold again to turn off the child lock. When comparing the TCL Breeva A1 to similar priced air purifiers, the Breeva comes out on top. And that's not to say these other purifiers are bad, because they're not. It's just that the Breeva has more features, a modern, sleek design, the outer shell is metal, and the colored light really sets it off. As far as air purifying performance goes, it will be similar to other units of this design and price range. So that is the TCL Breeva A1 True Hepa H13 Air Purifier. If you want to pick one up for yourself, we'll have Amazon links in the description below.